Job sites are full of challenges. Volvo's I-Shift with crawler gears ensures that the VHD is ready for anything you throw at it. The crawler option can provide up to 2 additional gears for precise low-speed control. It means greater torque to confidently start on steep grades, and greater control to maintain ultra-low speeds. The VHD can consistently travel at 0.6 miles per hour for applications like paving and curb pours. On the road, our powertrain innovations allow you to reach maximum highway speed at low RPMs, making cycle times faster. Give your driver the tools to do the job. The Volvo VHD, featuring I-Shift with crawler gears.